All right, about to do another lot walk here at Maple Motors, so stick around. Let's get it. Okay, this is another lot walk here at Maple Motors. We're going to be walking around the lot, showing you the new cars that came in, telling you the years, the models, and the prices of each one. More information at maplemotors.com, including descriptions, motor sizes, detailed pictures. There's like 100 of those on each one of the pictures that we have at maplemotors.com. So go there, check it out, check out financing and shipping as well. And we have full test drives going over flaws, chips, scratches, rust, dents, all that good stuff. Here on the channel, cars currently available is the playlist below. And be sure to hit subscribe and share. Let's get started on another lot walk. Coming up to the front, one of my favorite cars from the update this week, a nice fun Chevelle. Big block in this one. 1972 Chevelle. 27.9. Video will be coming out soon. That was a fun test drive for sure. Easily rocks the tires on this one. Next to that, 1983 GMC Caballero. This is GMC's version of the El Camino, and we've got it priced at $14.9. Next to that, 1963 Chevy Impala. Just got this one in, new to the lot as well. $29.9. Next to that, 1961 Chevy Bel Air, but this is a Biscayne, right? Biscayne. $25.9. 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass. This is a convertible. He's got the hood up, so let's just look. $330. This one's $25.9. Right next to that, 1969 Chevy Nova. This one's priced at $31.9. You guys, each and every week on Mondays, that's when we update the website with new inventory. We're typically going to average 10 to 15 cars a week. I'm not sure exactly what they're coming up with next Monday, but I know I will be off with a new baby. So this Wednesday, I'm going to be off the lot for about a week. Okay, we're going to run another row here. Are you ready? 1985 Chevy Monte Carlo. This one's priced at $13.9. Next to that, 1973 Plymouth Satellite. Got the 360 under the hood. $22.9. 1973 Plymouth Duster. Two-tone, $12.9. 1949 Plymouth Coupe. $14.9. 1961 Cadillac. This is a four-door in patina. Wild interior on this one too. She's $12.9. 1967 Chrysler Newport. Price has been marked down. She's $11.9. If you look around the lot, there may be one or two cars that we knocked the price down. Most of them sell within 30 days. 1968 Triumph Spitfire convertible. This one's $12.9. I've had so much action on this. Nobody's picked it up yet, but everybody talks about them when they come in. This is definitely one of the biggest talks on the lot. I know a lot of people are like, I used to have one of those, or I used to ride in that all the time. Somebody will end up picking it up though. It's definitely a popular car here. This old Ford truck, I'm surprised it hasn't sold. It's got the super cab. You don't really see them out there anymore. 1975 model F-150, inline six-cylinder, $14.9. Got subwoofers in it and everything. It's a pretty nice ride. What about a 1975 Ford F100? I do believe that one's got the 5.0 fuel injected in it. She's priced $19,900. Okay, guys, let's go over to the showroom and I'll show you the rest of the lot here. Quick stop here at Pops' Hot Wheels room. It's here on premises and it's full of toys. If you collect Hot Wheels or collect your cars, he's got you hooked up. Probably one of the biggest collections around. I know that's true because I'd say a good 8 to 10 car stalls are completely full to the ceiling. And this is just a small amount of what he's got. Check it out, Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel. He's on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Yeah. And you can pick up some t-shirts from us at maplemotors.com or in person here. So come on. And just in case the kids want something, we have a huge dollar selection here in the hallway. And yes, I said dollar, that's cheaper than Walmart. Well, you can see both Cobras are gone. This one's sold. That one's sold. Showroom's pretty much empty. This one's a personal ride, will never be for sale ever. He's had it years and years and years. This one is available, I do believe. I still think it's available. I'm pretty sure it's available, right? Okay, 700 miles on this one. $29,900, 5.0. Yeah, 700 miles. Now, it does have some flaws. Okay, sorry, I had to cut the scene a second. There was a guy that come in here and power slid a thing. It was loud. But anyways, this one here, it's got chips and scratches. It's kind of weird that it does with only 700 miles, but I think it was just sitting in a barn or something. But it does run and drive good. Come check it out. Watch that video if you're interested. This is a good price for a 700-mile 2016 Mustang. Like I said, we got the t-shirts available at maplemotors.com. Go there, pick up some. We'll ship them out to you. And each and every single shipment has a surprise. Back here is our sold bay. At the end of the video, I'll come glance through it. We still got some more cars available. This one actually sold. We posted it last week. That's Pops' personal. He won't sell it. That's also Pops' personal. Don't call about either one of those cars because he's just going to say no. This one here, off-road machine, mainly just off-road machine, 1971 Toyota Land Cruiser. $12,900 on the price. It's been dropped. It's got a lot going on. Now we're ready to sell this one. That's not really what we normally get, but I think it's kind of cool. Watch the test drive video. It does need some work. This one here runs and drives good. I know somebody called about it this morning. I don't know if they picked it up. 1967 C10 pickup truck. $25,900. Got the bed cover. Nice red seat inside. It looks good. The bow ties. Okay, so we got 2 more rows here. Let's go ahead, walk it. One of the most controversial cars that I posted last week, probably the best viewed video too. 1979 AMC Pacer with an LS swap. Now don't get me wrong, she was kind of quick. Look how small the car is, but it does have its flaws. That's why it's only priced $99.50. I don't feel like it'll be here too long, especially with the LS setup. Somebody's gonna like that too much for the price. Right next to it though, 1968 Ford Mustang. Here's something new. $12,900. That's a good price tag. That's definitely a good price tag. That one will also not be here long. Right next to it, 1965 Ford Mustang in black. $14,900. Okay. Black interior to match. 1968 Chevy Nova. Now, I love this one. I had fun on the test drive. It's very torquey, very peppy. Kicks the tires easily. Sounds awesome. $26,900 on the price. That's not bad for a Nova. Okay, one of my other favorite cars. I always like these. 1981 Pontiac Trans Am. $15,900 on the price too. Matching interior. This was a fun test drive. 2000 model Chevy Corvette convertible. Cammed up 6-speed transmission. $18,900. 1973 Chevy Corvette sitting here with the T-tops. It's green, it's tan on the inside. It says it needs work on the windshield. So I'm sure it does. I haven't drove it. $17,900 on this one. I'll be messing around making some videos all week. So this one will get documented and thrown up online as well. I always love the looks of these. one of my grandfathers on the other side of the family. He's never seen the videos, and I showed him a few yesterday, and we ended up getting caught up in some Trans Am videos that I had on the site here. I never actually watched my own videos, so it was kind of weird. I put them together, I build them, but I don't go back and watch them. I know what happened, and I get the information out to you as fast as I can. Next up, SS Camaro convertible. Pretty clean car, 2002 model. This one's $14,900. Next to that, this is a Z28 with the T-tops from 1999. Again, 30,000 miles on this one, $17,900. It's pretty low mileage. What we got behind us? This one here, decent mileage. I think it was like 70 or 80,000. 1997 Ford Mustang Cobra. $14,900. 82,000 to be exact on the mileage. 5-speed car. We picked up some new mats too. Did you see that? This one's kind of dirty, but I like them. I like the little design there. Better mats than we had before too. The other ones were like paper and they were kind of crumbly. I'm glad we upgraded that. Guys, let's go look at the sold bay, and we'll walk the lot, breeze through it one more time. Be sure to hit subscribe, share this video. Next week, hoods popped again. Every other week, hoods pop. And I make a full lot video. But for now, all you have to do is go to maplemotors.com. It'll show you everything under the hood. It'll tell you about the car, large descriptions on all of our cars. Full test drive videos here on the channel. Car's currently available. The sold bay is back there. I want to show you Pops' car. It's not for sale, but I'll show it to you anyways. This is a very nice car. This is what he drives. He said, I'm going to pick this one out. He loves it. He's not going to sell it. Don't call and ask what's the price on it, because it's not available. If you're watching the video on silent, you're going to get told that as soon as you call. Speaking of calls, 615-822-4444. That's our number. Sold bay back here. Just kind of glancing through it, some of the stuff that went through. Everything under here has got a video made. It's already dusty too. We're going to have to get in here and wash the cars today. I was looking around on the channel. I do believe we have over 3,600 videos here now. I've been doing this a while, guys, but I didn't know I had that many. I was just, that's what happened yesterday when I looked back on my videos. I was like, whoa, that's cool. Kind of wild. Doesn't seem like I've been doing it that long, but I know I have. What are we at, like 6 to 8 years, something like that? Since 2016, actually. I think 15 I started this whole YouTube thing. Let's shut this door. Oh, look inside it first. How about that? One more time, right? We'll start here, go all the way down the row. Again, maplemotors.com has financing. You can go there, check out the options that we have for you. JJ Best, Lightstream, Collector Car Lending. You can also go through your own bank and get set up. We ship all over the world, mainly in the US. I can get it to the border, but we have shipped all over the world multiple times. People call from Australia. That's like a really, really hot place right now. Everybody's calling from Australia. Canada, for sure. I see you. There's a guy here Friday from Canada, bought 2 cars. He's bought multiple cars in the past. He actually owns the magazine Camaro that we had in the showroom. He put it on Nick's Garage here on the YouTube. He was talking to us about it. He's telling me how fast it is now. He said all he had to do is do a different carb setup. But the guy that had it before, I think he was just doing it for the show. He was just taking it to shows. But we get all kinds of different cars, project cars to show cars. But we like to stay in this price range here. We basically try to keep everything under 40 grand, if you've noticed. That's why our cars are not perfect. Some of the stuff that you see up here for 30 grand, you find on other lots for 45 or more. And that's the truth. I know prices are crazy now, aren't they? It ain't us. We have a small markup on all of our cars. That's why we sell so many. I really hope you enjoy these videos. I'm gonna be gone next week, like I said. But they can all take care of you. We're all family here. Family business, over 40 years. Guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe again. I know I said that multiple times. I'm gonna go back into the lot here. I'm a little hot. It's okay. 91 today here in Tennessee. And later in the week when I get off, it's like 98. I was like, goodness, it's crazy. I've got other people that do some of the lot walks too. It's just one guy, but a Fusion kid, he's awesome. He's my bass player. I had some people comment and say, oh, that guy's back at it. He's not stealing anything. He's allowed to. I've been friends with him 15 years or so. So he's allowed to do it. He's a bass player. You want to see some of my music that I put out, Southgate Production. That's also another channel here. And I'm getting ready to probably record the new song. I got one called Let's Go For A Ride. Somebody asked me to do that here on the channel. They said, make a song. It says, let's go for a ride. I was like, yeah, let's do that. Let's go for a ride down Main. I think you'll enjoy it. I'm gonna put my daughter on piano. She plays. My son plays as well, guitar. And I'll probably record it at the house myself. That's what I went to college for, audio production. And I learned this video stuff. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy the music. And I hope you enjoy your week. Guys, it's late, but happy Father's Day. I'll see you later.